Let's compare between Firebase, Supabase, and MongoDB. So if you're deciding between Firebase, Supabase, and MongoDB for your project, understanding their strengths can help you choose the right one. The first we have is Firebase. Firebase is a Google-backed backend service, and it's great for mobile and web apps that needs real-time NoSQL databases authentication and cloud functions. It handles scaling for you, but lacks SQL support and can be costly at scale. Next, we have Supabase. Supabase is an open source alternative to Firebase. It uses Postgres SQL, offering SQL queries, authentication, and storage. With Firebase, it's like ease of use. It's ideal for those who need relational data and more backend control. Whereas MongoDB is a NoSQL document database, which is best for handling large unstructured data sets with high scalability and performance. If you need real-time sync and Google Cloud services, Firebase is the way to go. If you prefer SQL and open source flexibility, then Supabase is the better choice. And for big data and complex queries, MongoDB provides a powerful and scalable solution. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.